Do you want to know how you can sign up for Murf AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up for Murf AI. Go ahead and go to the search bar to search for Murf AI sign up and click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official sign up portal of Murf AI. You can see that you can sign up using your Google account, your Microsoft account, Slack account, or your email address. As you can use all of these, you can use the easiest one, which is the Google. Let me give you the example by clicking on sign up with Google. This portal will open up. Select your email address or your Google account from these and then click continue to sign in to Murf. Wait for a while and you can see this page load up, and congratulations, you have just signed up to Murf AI. There might be some criteria you want to go through before you use this, so you can go to your profile settings and select your profile and edit it. So guys, this is how you sign up for Murf AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.